Girl, you are so silly. So as I was saying, I went to California with my parents and my siblings. So we went to Justin Bieber's concert, and he probably signed my autograph. You're funny too. Alright, well, what else you guys do? Kylie, my friend, I thought you would never ask. So, when I started going to high school, my teacher just got drunk, and he cusses a lot. What else? So, my little sister just watched Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, and I thought Mickey would smoke a joint. What? Siam, what do you want? The TV is broken down. Can you help us fix it? Not now, Susie. I'm busy. Okay, as I was saying, are you okay, Kylie? Yeah, I'm fine. You don't sound so good. Oh no. Kylie, please talk to me. Come back to me. Please talk back to me. Oh no. No. She's dead. Oh, what am I gonna do? I think I got an idea. I never thought I would do this, but here I go. Credit to LPSHannah who made such great videos.